All right, today we want to take a look, and it's very simple, interval notation. Okay. Now, in interval notation, you're simply saying where it starts, the starting point, and where it ends. So if I have like 3 comma 6, hey, the graph started at 3, ended at 6. This could be the domain or the range. Starts at 3, ends at 6. Now, the problem is, hey, does it include the point or not include it? Well, if it includes it, such as, let's say it included the 3, we would put a bracket to start. And the bracket indicates that it includes the point. So let's say it doesn't include 6, so then we just use a parenthesis. So this is always going to tell us where it's between. It starts at 3, ends at 6. So our domain would be between 3 and 6. It includes 3, doesn't include 6. Here's an example. So there's only 3 situations that occur with what we're dealing with. It's between 2 numbers. So let's say x is between -3 and +4. Well, notice it includes 4, but it doesn't include -3. So where does it start? Always the starting point. -3, where does it end? At 4. Pretty easy. -3, it doesn't include it, so I use a parenthesis. It does include 4, so we use a bracket to say, hey, 4 is a part of the solution. It stops at 4. Now, what's the other situation? We have a greater than. We're talking x is bigger than 4. So we're talking on a number line. If you think of a number line, here's 4. Now it doesn't or equal it, so it's open. And then it 5 and 6. It's everybody this way. It's all the numbers bigger than 4. So where's the starting point? 4. Where does it end? Well, it keeps going forever. So it ends, technically, we could say, oh, it goes to infinity. Now, does it include 4? No, so I'll put a parenthesis. Infinity is an idea, so it never can have a bracket. So it's always going to have a parenthesis. This says, hey, it starts at 4 and continues to infinity. There's the domain of that. The other situation, and the only other one, is if the number's less than 8. So if you think of the number line there, here's 8, and it's numbers that are less than 8. Now, this time I made it include 8, so it's darkened. And then it's 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3. So where does it start? Well, it starts all the way down here. So it starts at negative infinity. And again, you can never have infinity be included because it's a concept, an idea. And where does it end? It ends here at 8. So I put 8, and then I put a bracket because it said or equal to. It included it. Those are the only 3 situations. You're either going from negative infinity to 8, from the number to infinity, or you're between 2 numbers. Hopefully this will be pretty easy for you to understand. I don't think it's difficult. We will practice it in class. Have a good day.